Hi friends, welcome back to our channel All in One Dolly. Like, share, subscribe and click bell icon and all for further notifications. Today we are going to watching some of the beautiful AI videos. This is the one of the AI video which is the polar bear is made with orange slices and where the snow is falling, and this is our Facebook page friends, link given in description, so please follow. Don't skip the video friends. This is another AI video. Noodles like doll and burger like doll is dancing in plate at restaurant. AI video is human made with neem leaf dancing in plate at restaurant. Don't skip the video friends, very interesting. Please like this video. Here panda is made with watermelon slices and playing guitar. Snow is falling beside the ship is going. So beautiful video. And this is our Instagram page friends, link given in description. Please follow the Instagram page also. Next AI video is parrot is made with noodles which is very colorful and sitting in plate at restaurant. I am expecting 200 likes for this video. Please like the video. Stay tuned for so many AI videos. Please subscribe All in One Dolly YouTube channel. Very interesting videos are coming soon, so don't miss the videos. I hope you enjoyed this video, very interesting video. In further videos, I will share how I created this AI videos which are very beautiful and interesting videos. So stay tuned for more updates. So please subscribe, like All in One Dolly YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.